Use a 4-inch or 6-inch putty knife to tuck carpet fibers down and back along the baseboard before painting. Start by removing quarter round or shoe molding if present so the carpet edge is exposed. Hold the blade flat against the baseboard at a slight angle so the edge slides between the carpet tufts and the wall. Then push the fibers down and back toward the tack strip rather than pulling them up. Work in short sections of about 6 to 10 inches so you do not bunch fibers or create a raised ridge that will catch paint. Keep the knife clean and free of debris and dry paint, and wipe it periodically to avoid dragging residue into the carpet. If the carpet has a thick nap, apply a little downward pressure and make a few gentle passes instead of one hard shove to seat the pile without stretching the backing. For corners and tight spots, use the smaller putty knife and finish with a stiff bristle brush to align fibers flush against the baseboard before painting. Common mistakes are forcing the blade too aggressively, which can damage the carpet backing and leave loose tufts that show through paint. Fix this by using gentle, repeated passes and switching to the smaller knife for delicate areas. Another problem is working too quickly and leaving paint bleed under tucked fibers. Prevent that by ensuring fibers lie fully flat and by using a high-quality painter S-tape along the top edge of the baseboard if needed. A third issue is dirty or paint-coated tools transferring marks to the carpet. Avoid that by keeping your knives clean and using a protective rag or backup pad under the blade when working near the carpet edge. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and create a place where both sides can find opportunities and advice related to projects like baseboard painting. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about prepping carpet and other home improvement tasks.